for starters, can you share what inspired you to found WageScape? Why would you want to get into compensation management? Like, what fascinated you with that?
I had the opportunity to work with lots of different, like literally a couple hundred different companies in my career in consulting. And then when I was on the corporate side, I worked for a very large corporation that had about 70 different businesses worldwide in about 70 different countries. And my task when I got there was to create a global infrastructure for workforce management. So all the HR systems and processes, the organization structure to support that, everything you need basically to, create a kind of state of the art global HR capability. And I sat on the HR and IT leadership teams to do that and came to the realization pretty quickly that the biggest bottleneck for us was not going to be the technology, because the technology had advanced. This was back when the cloud was relatively new, but HR had moved into the cloud pretty early in that process.